Hey everybody, welcome to Vintage Vagabond Vens. Have you ever thought about reselling? Well, today we're going to go over some cool items for reselling. These could be items found at estate sales, yard sales, thrift stores, or even just around the house. Whether it's selling on eBay, Mercari, Posh, these are some of the types of items, I should say, to watch out for.
Today I'm going to go over some items that I sold on eBay for $150 or more. Up first I have this Eastern Press Great Religion book set. It was a set of 5 books. I paid $98 for them at a local online auction. They sold for $589.99. Next, I have the signed Joseph Sokolsky limited edition King Cavalier Spaniels art Gleesy print. Did come with a certificate of authenticity. I paid the $75 for this at an online auction. It was local, so I was able to pick it up. Here's the signature. It was 8 of 200. And the certificate of authenticity. I sold this for $499.95. Here's a 14 karat gold and seed pearl brooch pin. Has a crown and wing shape. This I got in a pin lot that I paid about $2 each for the pins, and it ended up being 14 karat yellow gold. This sold for $382.99. Here is a wee forest folk toad. This was a very, very rare piece. I paid only $1 for him at a yard sale. He is signed on the back and on the base. It's just a little thing, like 2 inches tall. This sold for $429.99. Here's another 14 karat gold brooch, a dash hound, yellow gold with ruby eyes. Again, I paid around $2 for this. I buy a lot of pin lots, and every once in a while I get lucky and find some gold. He sold for $363. This is a Desiree Hodgenay cougar sculpture with COA. This I picked up on an online auction. I paid I paid $30 for this. Came with its signed certificate of authenticity. This sold for $289.99. Next I have this Royal Dalton. It was in the Sotheby's auction, the Judd collection, Lord Nelson teapot. This I paid up a little bit for it. I paid $80. There's the Sotheby's auction tag and the sticker from being in the Harriet Judd collection. This sold for $429.99. Next I have these 1933 Art Deco dual valve candelabra. It's a pair of candle holders in a U shape. They're made from chrome and bakelite. These I paid $60 for. I did have these on for sale on eBay for quite a long time, but they did eventually sell. These sold for $329.99. Next I have this Harley Davidson Willie G Skull leather jacket, size extra large. This I paid $50 for at a local auction. This sold for $350. Here's an antique Holly Salopian Pearlware Stag Plate. This I picked up at an auction. I paid $25 for it. It did take a while to sell this one. Did have a price tag of $5.95 on it. This sold for $269.99. Here is a Blackamoor African elephant with Bengal tigers. It was rather large and heavy. Made in Portugal. This I paid $40 for at a local auction. And this sold for $299.99. I have another Harley jacket, extra large. This one I also paid $50 for at a local auction. This one sold for $179. Here is an antique Claire's Cliff parrot vase. See the parrots? It did have some crazing on it. You could see it there. I did pay $70 for this. However, it sold for $229.99. Here's another brooch. It was a clear lucite dagger with rhinestones. This was in another jewelry lot. Paid about $2 for it. Sold for $150.50. And last we have these Harley Davidson men's motorcycle riding pants. These I picked up at a local auction. Paid $20 for them, and they sold for $199.95. And these are just a few of the items that I've sold recently on eBay for $150 or more. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I will have more in the future. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.